In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard for online live classes using Google Meet. As we embrace the digital age, online classes have become an integral part of modern education, and tools like Google Meet and interactive whiteboards enrich the virtual classroom experience. Let's explore how to get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. This service is part of Google Workspace and is an excellent tool for hosting and joining virtual meetings. Once there, look toward the top right corner and click on Sign In. You'll need to enter your Google account credentials. If you don't have one, it's easy to create a Google account, but for now, let's assume you already have one and proceed by entering your email address. Hit Next and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Fill in the necessary details, then click Next again to complete your login. Once you're signed in, look for the New Meeting button and give it a click. This will bring up a few options, but to keep things simple, select Start an Instant Meeting. This creates a meeting immediately, allowing you to get started with your class swiftly. You'll find yourself in a virtual meeting room. Now, to enhance your teaching experience, access meeting tools. This section unlocks various functionalities designed to elevate your virtual sessions. After clicking on Meeting Tools, search for the Show More option and click on it. This expands additional options that you can explore to augment your teaching experience. Within this expanded menu, look for the option labeled Get Add-ons. Add-ons are third-party integrations that bring additional features to your meetings. Scroll through the list and you might find recommended tools like Miro, which is excellent for virtual collaboration. Click to install it as your interactive whiteboard solution. It's third-party software, but highly compatible with Google Meet, providing a seamless transition between tools. When you choose to install an add-on, you'll be prompted with various authorizations. Typical for these integrations, simply follow the prompts. Click Continue and Allow as needed. To get through the setup process, once your add-on is set, return to your Google Meet interface. You might opt to share your screen at this point, bringing your installed whiteboard tool into the shared display for all your participants. This step is crucial for collaborative activities and presenting visual content effectively. You have the option to stop sharing when the whiteboard segment is complete. Finally, when your class session wraps up, you can end the meeting by clicking End Activity. I hope this tutorial has shed light on using a whiteboard for online classes using Google Meet, providing a solid foundation for creating engaging and effective virtual learning experiences. Happy teaching!